Hello from Car Key Solutions. We have here the BMW keyless key, which is fitted on a F series BMs, and we want to show you how the battery needs to be replaced. First of all, you'll know if the battery needs replacing if you have a warning light on a dash saying that the battery needs replacing, or if the remote stops operating. If the remote fully stopped operating, you can still access the car, firstly by using the emergency blade, and we're going to show you now how to extract the emergency blade from the remote. This button needs to be pressed, and at the same time blade needs to be pulled out, and with the blade you'll manage to unlock manually the car. And if the remote battery is fully down, the keyless function won't operate, but you will still be able to start the car by holding the remote against the steering column on the plastic housing, where you'll see an antenna sign. So if you hold the key in that place, the car will start. This is the emergency starting procedure. Very often this is due to just a simple battery. So now we get to the battery replacement side. So you don't need any special tools. By using the blade, emergency blade from the car, you literally push onto the cover. So that slot will push in. You put the blade in and push it, and it's gonna push a clip, which then is gonna release the cover. You pull up the cover, you're gonna access the battery. Is 2450 battery. Pull it out with just a screwdriver, a lever. Pull it out, put a new one in. The remote should operate again. Once you have the remote out, it's just to have a quick glance over, make sure there's no condensation. Sometimes if they have water ingress, you'll start see condensation. That will be an indication there's more damage to the key. But if everything looks clean, a new battery, and then the key should resume operation. Hope this is useful for you, and please do subscribe to our channel, and also share this video if you think it might be useful for others. Thanks for watching Car Key Solutions.